6:44 now. Tom is back tracking your Monday forecast.
Well, pretty gloomy. You're not going to be giving anybody tips for this forecast. But this weekend, we're about to turn it around. So there's good news. It's going to take us a little while to get there. We've got a MaxTrack Live that shows a little bit of green on the screen. A little lone pop of a shower down towards Clay County around Manchester. You got a couple more cruising east. So an occasional sprinkle, an isolated shower out there this morning. And that'll be about the extent of that. What we have plenty of is extensive low cloud cover and as well a very, very cool start to the week. You felt that at the end of the weekend. You see this swirl up around Cleveland? That is a wave of low pressure at the surface. There's an upper level reflection lagging it a little bit more to the west. But all this unusually cool air is prompting this wraparound shower activity, these low clouds, and just the general gloom that we got to deal with. And it's a low that is awfully slow. It's just ever so slowly crawling off to the northeast. Eventually a high pressure will build in tomorrow. So the sprinkles, the occasional showers we have around today start to diminish overnight. The clouds may even break up a little bit this afternoon. You may get lucky and see some sunshine. This is 11 o'clock tonight. Still some occasional sprinkles around. But as that low pulls out of here tomorrow, we'll finally shake the showers, mostly to partly sunny skies, and looking much better as we go into latter parts of this week. It's 50 degrees. It's overcast. This is looking over at Kroger Field here in Lexington. Cloudy skies, no rainfall since midnight. That's good. Temperatures are chilly, though. Upper 40s now in Danville and in Flemingsburg. And we've got this upper low that I just talked about, this unusually cold air aloft. This is going to gradually pull out of here. Look what happens. It is a complete pattern flip for later this week. We'll have a trough digging in out west. What we're dealing with now, this unusually cool air, as the jet stream takes a dip there, but then you've got this nice ridge building toward the east coast, southeastern United States, a very summery pattern, and what will be a significant warm-up. We'll go from well below average highs to well above average highs over the course of the week. It's a steady warm-up from around 60 today. Remember, our average high goes from 74 to 75 through this week to 84. So we'll be up into the low to mid 80s this weekend. Highs that we usually see Monday, 60 degrees at the end of March. Well, mid to late June is what it'll feel like by the time we get into the 80s this weekend. So that's something to look forward to. Cloudy skies, highs around 60. Watch for those isolated sprinkles and showers. We're going to drop down to the low 40s tonight, and I talk about this a lot. If Lexington's hitting a low in the low 40s, that means some outlying areas that tend to trend a little colder. You get away from that urban heat island effect. We may see some upper 30s for overnight lows in a few spots. I don't think most of us will get there, but this is the bottoming out point. You see the gradual warm up through the remainder of the week. We'll see more sunshine. Now, we are going to have some shower and storm chances to contend with. Scattered showers and storms possible. I think our best bet at this point looks Thursday and Friday, and then maybe again late in the weekend. But look at that. Into the weekend, maybe 1, possibly 2 days that could be really nice as we soar into the 80s. So big time warm up just around the corner.